Welcome back to my channel. We're about to go ahead and play in some makeup. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. I already cleaned my face. I just need to moisturize it. So we're gonna go in with the Glow Recipe moisturizer. I haven't recorded in so long. I've been so busy, but I have not forgot about you guys. Okay, and next I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen. I'm going in with the Unseen sunscreen. It doesn't have no shimmer in it. The other one I have a little shimmer in it. A matte dewy face, so I don't want to add extra shimmer. Okay, so the moisturizer and the sunscreen is on, you guys. I did shop the Sephora VIB sale. That video should be coming soon, but I did go ahead and get the YSL All Hours Foundation, and I got mine in DW5 Deep Warm. Okay, she looks very gorgeous, very luxe. So we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go on the back of my hand. I got one pump, and I'm gonna just take a flat brush and I'm just going to paint some of that on my face. Let's see. This is a breathable full coverage with a natural finish. And I do believe this dries down really quickly, so I'm gonna hurry up and place this on my face. Okay, I did one more pump. Melting into my face, it looks very good. Next, I'm just gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna press this product into my skin, getting the rest of this off. Alright, and this is how the face is. Let me show y'all without my light. Okay, this is how the face is looking. Like this, okay? Go ahead and turn my light back on. And I don't think those two pumps gave me full coverage because I can still see my little freckles right here on my face. But I like it, so we're going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to go in with this Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to work on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to tap and press that into my cheekbones. My birthday's coming up. It's on May 9th. I'm not doing anything because me and my husband, we just bought a new car, SUV. And that's my birthday gift. So that's our birthday gifts. My birthday is in May and his is in June. So I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer in Deep 14 and 12. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. I did get the new Pat McGrath bronzer. We're going to be going in with this today. And this is how it looks. I got mine in, what's this? Burnished Honey. Let's swatch her. Y'all know I'm not good with swatches, but we gonna try. This is the color. But we're going to definitely apply it to the cheeks. But we're going to go ahead and blend out this concealer. This is the shade 14. I know I never come on here. Sometimes I come on here with my eyebrows not done. So I'm going to put an eyebrow. I'm gonna put an eyebrow tutorial because I do my eyebrows different sometimes. I use different products, so I'm just going to place a video for y'all can see how I do my eyebrows right now. Okay, this looks good, right? But we're gonna go in with shade 12. We're just gonna go in with a little bit right here, right there. But I know y'all don't have any questions about my eyelashes because I do have a video of that up on my channel already, and I still use that brand, just different styles. I just try different styles, and sometimes I do cut up like the Sculpt lashes and apply them that way as well. It just works so much better than applying Sculpt lashes every day. For me it does. You just look so put together. Okay, so this is the face. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Honey. I did have the Ultra Blur one, but I did not like how it left my under eye looking, so I took it back. I don't play about the under eye, baby. Okay, so now we're about to go in with the Pat McGrath bronzer and Burnished Honey, and we're gonna take this Morphe. What's this? A M405, and we got product, y'all. We're gonna see if this bronzes us. It has a little bit of hint of red to it. I like that. It looks nice, y'all. It looks nice. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the nose. Then we're gonna take a brush and we're just gonna place a little on the eyelid. Next, I'm gonna go in with Golden Hour. I'm gonna take 2 fingers, rub it together, and just place this on my cheekbones right here. Not too much. Y'all see that color? Of that Danessa Myricks blush, I'm gonna go in with this Benefit blush just to top it off. It's like a pinkish orange color. And it looks so pretty. And if you ever think you got too much on or just want to calm down your blush, use your foundation brush and just go over it in circular motions a little bit, and it will calm it down so much. I promise you guys. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the foundation powder. I like to add this just for a little extra security and bring everything together. I am so happy that I bought this foundation because it looks so good. It doesn't look cakey. It just looks so good. I'm gonna go in with the Refy lip liner. This is Sepia. I'm gonna put this in my purse today for I can touch up. But I'm gonna go in with this clear gloss. Did pick up one of the Makeup by Mario Moistureglow Lip Plumping colors. I got mine in soft nude. This is how it looks. You can't even see. It's like, it's really a pretty nude, pinky nude. The birds are out today. They chirping. This look good. Okay, next we're gonna go in with this. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, I think we're out of this MAC Stay Over. I'm gonna have to get another one. Yeah, we're definitely out because it's having like this little spray. So we're not even gonna bother with that. We're gonna go in with the Super Dewy Make by Makeup Revolution. Alright, y'all, this is how the face came out. I really like how this foundation is sitting on my face. It's not too much, it's not cakey. I like the bronzer and I like the lip color that we tried today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.